Why should power be shared in a country? Power sharing is important for many reasons. Let us understand why sharing power matters for a country's peace, stability, and democracy. There are two main reasons for power sharing. The first is called the prudential reason. The second is the moral reason. Both reasons are crucial to understand the importance of power sharing in society. The prudential reason for power sharing is that it reduces conflicts in society. It helps to prevent violence between different groups. When power is shared fairly, it promotes political stability within a country. By ensuring that all groups get their fair share, power sharing ensures political stability. When everyone feels included, trust increases, and the country becomes more peaceful and orderly. The moral reason for power sharing is that it is the essence of democracy. People have the right to participate in the government. Power sharing makes democracy real and meaningful for every citizen. Power sharing builds trust among various communities in a country. It also promotes unity in diversity. When everyone has a voice, societies become stronger and more united. Without power sharing, conflicts may arise. Sri Lanka is an example where lack of power sharing led to tension and conflict among communities. This shows how necessary power sharing is to prevent such issues. Power sharing is necessary for peace and democracy in any country. It helps to maintain stable governance and allows people to live together peacefully despite their differences. Quick revision: prudential reasons, reduces conflict, ensures stability. Moral reasons, spirit of democracy, ensures participation. Importance, brings unity and trust. Example: Sri Lanka shows what happens without power sharing. Question 1. What are prudential reasons for power sharing? Answer: they help reduce conflict and ensure stability in society by making all groups feel included. Question 2. What are moral reasons for power sharing? Answer: moral reasons show that power sharing is the spirit of democracy and ensures participation by all people. Next, we will learn about Belgium, social differences, and conflict. It will help us understand further how power sharing solves real problems in different countries.